In this video, we will show you how we can scan emails and detect if they are posing any threats to the recipients. We will then build a detailed report and raise a ticket in a ticketing system, putting at your fingertips the details of the investigation. With the touch of a button, you will then initiate an action on that email. For instance, to delete or release the email, or delete all emails from the same recipient. In this scenario, we will export using Graph API all the emails received during a time frame. Then we will filter the emails and focus on the ones with needs review status. We will connect to Microsoft Defender Quarantine, navigate to the email. Read all its details. Take a screenshot of the email body and then export the email and scan it together with its attachments and URLs. Let us see how Atomatik can achieve these. Going to Atomatik Studio, we can see our pre-built automation. We will export and filter the emails received during the last month. Let us start the automation and see it in action.
First, the list of emails was exported and the emails with status needs review selected. The subject of the email was scanned using artificial intelligence to determine if it's fiche or clean, and providing us with a confidence interval. Then, we are connecting to Microsoft Defender Quarantine, filtering by email ID, and opening the email window. Here, we will download the email, set a password for the archive exported. We will then preview the email body and take a screenshot of it. In the background, we check whether the email was downloaded yet, and once downloaded, we extract the archive. The result is an EML file. From this file, we will extract the attachments to a dedicated location. In our example, a PDF attachment was found. Behind the scenes, the PDF is transformed into photos, taking one photo for each page. Next step is to check whether the document contains any QR codes and extract the corresponding URL.
The last step is to check each URL contained in the attachments or in the email body and detect if it is malicious, suspicious, or clean.
We are first logging into the platform and then entering the URL to be scanned. We then read the result of the check, stop the verification, and return to the main screen to continue with the second URL. We repeat the steps for each URL. At the end, all the data is analyzed and sent via email to a dedicated analyst. The email contains information about the email subject and is shown that with a probability of 95% is fiche. Then it shows that Bolster detected the URLs as being clean, while app any run marked the websites as malicious. The result of the analysis for each URL is shown with the status of the investigation. A photo of the email body is shown in the email, and attached are the photos generated for each page of the PDF scanned. At the end of the email, two buttons are added that the analyst can action to release or delete the email. Alternatively, a ticket was created in Jira displaying the same investigation results. Other ticketing systems could be used instead. For instance, ServiceNow, Autotask, Zendesk, or Freshdesk. Two buttons are shown at the end. Actioning one of the buttons will send an email to the digital workers that will monitor and take an action on the email that was scanned, release it, or delete it. Multiple options can be added. Let us release the email to the recipients. We will choose Release Email option, and a populated email is shown on the screen, which contains in the email subject the ID of the email to be released, and is set to be sent to a dedicated robot email account. Clear rules were set so that these emails will be moved automatically to a dedicated Outlook folder. Once the email is received, a digital worker will detect it and start an automation to release or delete the email, depending on the subject of the email. Going back to Microsoft Defender Quarantine, we can see the status was changed from Needs Review to Released.